What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today we gotta go over Baby Doge because something big is happening here with the technicals, and we're seeing something nice happening inside of this chart. So we're gonna talk about the technical analysis of Baby Doge today, and that's pretty much all. We're gonna also be talking very briefly about the announcement that we're gonna have tomorrow, which is Monday, which is gonna be the 7th of March. So we're going to talk about all this today. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe though. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and join, and I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over. I'll give my honest opinion on it. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, not a financial advice. But let's go straight over these technicals with Baby Doge. So the first thing I want to say is something that someone in the Baby Doge army actually said, and it actually makes a lot of sense. So if you look over here, this was said by Brainiac Brian, always dropping knowledge inside of the Baby Dogecoin group, and this was originally said by Binance and millions of people that come before that have done technical analysis. So big shout out to Brainiac Brian, big shout out to Binance and all the people out there doing technical analysis. But pretty much says Binance says this is a bull flag pattern. Do you recognize it in Baby Doge? Go look at our pattern over the last year. This is actually a pretty good observation here. So Binance pretty much mentions this as the bull flag. As you can see, this is pretty much what happens before a strong uptrend. So what is a bull flag? Well, let's go ahead and zoom in. Well, we probably can't zoom in right now. But anyways, it says bull flags are identified when a rise is in, or a chart is pretty much inside of a strong uptrend. As you can see, I need to zoom this in a lot more. All right, bull flags are identified when an asset is in a strong uptrend. The chart pattern resembles a flag on a pole, indicating bullish price action. The pole represents the strong move upside. You pretty much know the rest. So if the price breaks resistance of the bull flag is complete, confirming the pattern, and then traders expect a huge upward movement, and then people just start buying in because it's the bull flag pretty much. But yeah, this is definitely a bull flag in my opinion. I'm looking at this and I'm definitely noticing some really good movements here. So let's look at this inside of this view here. So this is the trading view charts. This is the 4-hour chart. So what you can see here is the last time we had this pump, it was a bull flag. So you can see it was the exact same pattern that we had here. So let me just go ahead and get this line here so you can kind of see the channels that we had. So we pretty much had a bull flag here, and that's exactly what happened. So we had that bull flag, boom, and then we broke out. And now you're kind of seeing the same thing forming over here for Baby Doge. I know this might not be 100% on point because I just drew it like really fast, but you can compare it to the technical analysis that I did back in October when I was doing those technical analysis in October. And it pretty much predicted the downfall. And then I also predicted the uptrend here with Baby Doge. But anyways, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a guru here. Just kind of using these technical trading patterns. But anyways, also, no, not that. So I wanted to show you this next pattern. So this is the pattern that we're actually forming up now. So this pattern could confirm that this is a bull flag. We just have to wait some time here for us to reach the bottom of it. So like I said, 2.4 is still holding as that support. So literally, if we go down here to 2.4 or even like 2.8, we don't even have to get all the way down there. We could actually potentially break out here with Baby Doge. So this is definitely something that you want to watch out for. It's definitely something that could happen. But like I said, we're just following technical trading patterns here. So anything could happen at this point. But kind of looking at where it's at now, this definitely looks like it could be a bull flag. So let me know in the comments what you all think this is. Do you think this is a bull flag? Do you think it's not? But when I look at this, this is definitely like the setup for a bull flag. It's the same thing that happened way back here from October 30th all the way down to about December 21st. So it literally took 2 months for this to form. And you're kind of looking at it now from January 17th all the way till now. Right now it's March 10th, but let's wait until March 17th. So from the 10th to the 17th, well, it's not March 10th yet. It's actually the 6th, but around the 17th, technically we should be breaking out somewhere around there. So this could happen. I don't know when. It could happen at any time, but it's definitely looking like the start of a bull flag, or like the ending of a bull flag now before we actually have the pump. So then I'll show you this one more time. I'll go all the way back here so then you can see the actual, oh, I already closed it. But yeah, anyways, this definitely looks like a bull flag. But let me go ahead and bring back the Baby Doge army Reddit. So we can actually look at that and kind of compare the two because they look exactly the same to me. Big shout out to Brainiac Brian for actually posting this. So this looks just like a blue flag. Literally, we had that pump leading up to it, and then we pretty much started to go down on this strong downwards downtrend. And now you're kind of seeing Baby Doge leveling out. You're seeing Baby Doge going a little bit sideways here. So after you see that sideways movement, and that it's pretty much confirmed. Like we see here, it goes sideways for a little bit, and then it goes back on a little bit of a downtrend, and it just breaks out. And now you're looking over here, we're going sideways for a little bit, and then we'll probably go on another little small downtrend. So there's probably going to be one more downtrend if we go down to like 2.824, and then just pump it right past the 3.2 area, then we definitely have the confirmation of the bull flag. So this is definitely something that you want to watch out for because it's the same exact thing that happened back here. And look, you can even see once we start the pump here, we started the pump, we broke out, we pulled back. We pumped, we broke out, we pulled back. We pumped again, and then the bull flag happens. We're pretty much pulling back here, and then we start the pump again, and then going sideways, pulling back, pumping again, pulling back, pumping again, and now the bull flag, and then it kind of pulls back. And it's the same kind of pattern here. And you can actually look, this is 1, 2, 3 pumps before the fourth major pump. And then you see a pullback of 1 pullback, trading sideways, 2 pullbacks, and then it kind of gets some momentum gain back. 3 pullbacks, trading sideways, then it starts to pump again. Pump 1, pump 2, pump 3, pullback, pump 4. And then you can actually look over it when it starts to pull back here. So it does 1 pullback, trade sideways, 1 pullback, trade sideways, has a little bit of a pump, another pullback, trading sideways. The same type of momentum that we had back here. So this may be the confirmation of the bull flag that we need for Baby Doge. This is huge, but like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, neither is financial advice. This is pretty much all speculation based off of the charts. And that's really all technical analysis is, speculating based off of the movements of the charts. And also, whenever we look at these automated trading indicators with Vital Algo, just looking at the short term, or actually no, the long term, it shows that we have some way more demand back here if we pull back to 2.8. So we'll probably have a little bit of a pump if we do that. Or we could just pull back to 2.4 and still have a pump because we still have that momentum. And then look, right at the end of the bull flag, somewhere around there, like I said, it's not going to be 100% on point because I just drew it like impromptu. I drew it like pretty much on the spot. If I was going to do it like 100%, then I'd make sure that it was like right on point. Just got to move it up a little bit and then move this one down just a little bit. But still, this shows that 2.4 could be that reversal point. So that's why I'm pushing for the 2.4 support. And I'm not telling you all to wait for the 2.4 support. Like, just know I bought a bunch of Baby Doge and now I'm officially like above $1 trillion on one wallet. And then I have my other wallets that have been, more pretty much. I have 3 wallets. So one of my wallets now is officially above $1 trillion. Then I have my other wallets that aren't at $1 trillion yet, but still, this is a good time to buy, I would say. And also, waiting for it to pull back, like I'm saying, if you want to wait, that's all up to you. But don't come back on my videos commenting saying you said it was going to hit 2.4 and now I missed a dip. A lot of people did that last time, but I did not say to wait till 2.4 to buy. This is definitely a good time to buy now. I bought now, and I'm going to buy again at 2.8 if we hit 2.8, and then again I'll buy also at 2.4. If we hit 2.4, I'll buy there again. So that's my plan there. That's my strategy. I'm just going to keep buying more and more and more Baby Doge. At this point, when we get to 6Z1, I'm going to have $100,000 just based off the $3,000 I have inside of Baby Doge now. And that's just in one wallet. And then I have my other wallets. So this is definitely pretty exciting for me. I'm loving the movements with Baby Doge here. But anyways, yeah, we're looking at the long-term charts right now. But looking at the short term, we can definitely maybe pump out of this bull flag early and then start the uptrend early if this announcement that we have on Monday turns out to be really good. It is a partnership with Chewy's. That's what we believe it to be. And you can kind of see this. It's almost too obvious because you can see the bottom of there, and you got to think Chewy's, their logo is blue. This just looks directly like Chewy's. So I just think it is. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. But either way, this is going to be pretty good for us. But yeah, like I said, we could end up invalidating this whole thesis, invalidating the whole thing, and just kind of pumping way before the bull flag even reaches the end. So right now we do have selling volume, and even going over here and looking at the whales, you see there are some whales doing some big buys here. So that's 20K purchase right there. But this is a pretty big sale, 140,000 or $104,000, which is 33.3 trillion baby Doge sold. And then over here we got 65 trillion bought, or whole 20 trillion coming out to $65,000. That's a pretty good amount. So yeah, I'm just waiting for baby Doge to pump right now. I'm waiting for these listings, but like I said, I already bought the dip, and I'm gonna continue to do that until I can't do it anymore, because this is still a good price to get baby Doge at. You gotta think, like, when we pumped, let's just kind of scroll all the way out here so you can look at where we were at our peak inside baby Doge. We were literally all the way up here inside baby Doge. That's a huge downtrend from where we were previously. So 63. So literally 8Z3 is where we were, and now we're all the way down to 8, or we were at 8Z6 3, and now we're all the way down to 8Z3. So we're literally 50% cheaper than what we were previously. So if you don't see that as a deal, then I don't know what you see as a deal then, because this is a pretty good deal. We're 50% below where we were before. So this is a really good point to get into baby Doge now. So I'm all in on it right now. I'm going to continue to buy more and more and more baby Doge. And yeah, I'm just going to keep going hard on it. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for the technicals. But moving on from the technicals, though, we got some more holders. Now we're finally officially at 1.45 million inside of holders. So almost at 1.5 million holders. That's going to be a huge achievement for us. We just need 50,000 more people. And this whole partnership with Chewy's could be that thing that gets us that 50,000 people. Because you got to think about it, like, there's a lot of people that follow Chewy's. There's a lot of dog lovers out there that are really big with Chewy's. So just this being a whole partnership, I mean, this could be huge. And hopefully it is Chewy's. Maybe it's something else. Maybe it's an actual listing. Maybe it's crypto.com. It could be anything. But just looking up Chewy's is probably not going to even pop up, because there's so many different things on here called Chewy's. Maybe look up Chewy's dog food or something like that. Like, nothing like that pops up. I don't know why they don't have it on here. Maybe I got to put Chewy's.com. But yeah, they need to do some search engine optimization, so then they can be like the first thing that pops up whenever you type in Chewy's. They got to do something on that. But yeah, anyways, moving on from that, though, moving on to the next thing, I wanted to mention this. This is pretty much our roadmap. We already know this, but for the people that are new in baby Doge, you got to know our utilities. We're still going to have that. We're still going to have that baby Doge wallet, those debit cards, the exchange, the arcade, NFT marketplace. So you just got to wait and watch out for it, because it could come at any time. And hopefully the wallet comes very soon. That's pretty much the next thing I'm waiting for, because I'm definitely going to use that wallet up a lot. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for baby Doge. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe there. It really helps for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know if you think this is a bull flag. Let me know if you think that something good is going to come out of this. I definitely believe this is a bull flag. We're literally following the pattern to a T. So this could definitely be pretty good for baby Doge. And also, if you want to become a member, definitely go ahead and join and become a member, and I'll go over any crypto that you want me to go over. If you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.